Imagine a machine so powerful it rivals the might of a small nation. Not a car, not a truck, but a warship. These floating fortresses are the ultimate symbols of engineering ambition and national intent. Warships aren't just about firepower. Their very presence can keep peace, like a massive guard dog you hope never to unleash. Picture a skyscraper on its side, racing across the ocean, packed with a nuclear reactor, an airport, and enough weaponry to end any argument. It's a masterpiece of logistics and technology, a true marvel of human achievement. But the real magic happens where these giants are born, the shipyard. Forget supercars. This is where raw steel and bold ideas are forged into the world's most powerful machines. The shipyard is a place of thunderous noise, fire, and scale, where a single mistake can cost millions, and a single innovation can shift global power. Here, titans are built and history is made. Today, you get a front-row seat to the making of the most powerful warships on Earth. Welcome to the world of true, world-altering power. Let's step inside. Newport News. Shipbuilding in Virginia isn't just a shipyard. It's the birthplace of America's nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. For over a century, this legendary place has built the titans of the sea, from battleships to submarines, and now, the world's most advanced carriers. Every American supercarrier starts here, in a city of steel, sparks, and ambition. The scale is staggering. Cranes the size of buildings, a symphony of metalwork, and a workforce dedicated to building giants. This isn't just manufacturing, it's legacy. Workers here are modern blacksmiths, forging the tools that shape global power. The ships that emerge are more than vessels. They're instruments of policy, floating sovereign territories ready for any mission. When a nation needs to project strength, it turns to Newport News. These carriers are why American presidents can speak softly while carrying a very big stick. Every weld, every bolt is a piece of history. On the banks of the James River, the world's most powerful ships are born. This is where global influence is built, one giant at a time. Welcome to the Forge of Giants. Let's see how it's done. Every warship begins as a digital masterpiece. Millions of computer-aided drawings, years in the making. Designers plan every detail, from nuclear reactors to coffee machines, in a 3D puzzle of epic proportions. Once the blueprint is perfect, the real work begins. Cutting massive steel plates with plasma torches hotter than the sun. These pieces are welded into huge modules, giant Lego bricks weighing over 1,000 tons. Modular construction means hundreds of sections are built simultaneously, then assembled like a colossal jigsaw. The shipyard's biggest crane, Big Blue, lifts these city block-sized modules into the dry dock. Slowly, the double-bottom hull is laid, the keel is set, and the warship's shape emerges from chaos. It's a deliberate, awe-inspiring process, watching a mountain of steel become the world's most powerful weapon. Every step is precision and power, artistry and engineering. This is where vision becomes reality. From drawing to Leviathan, the journey is nothing short of extraordinary, and it's only just begun. Next, we bring the beast to life. With the hull assembled, the ship transforms from a steel shell into a war machine. Thousands of workers swarm the vessel, installing millions of components, cables, pipes, and systems that make it come alive. Deep inside, engineers install nuclear reactors, giving the ship virtually unlimited power and range. High above, technicians fit radar, antennas, and the Combat Information Center, the ship's brain. Once watertight, the dry dock floods, and the ship floats for the first time, a moment of celebration and christening. But the work continues. Final fitting out, flight deck surfacing, elevators, and living quarters. The ship undergoes brutal sea trials, full speed, hard turns, weapons tests. Only after passing every test is it delivered to the Navy, ready for duty. From empty shell to floating fortress, the transformation is complete. It's a process of relentless precision and teamwork. The beast is alive and ready for the world's oceans. But none of this happens without the people behind the steel. Behind every warship is an army of specialists: welders, shipfitters, electricians, and engineers. Welders stitch the steel together with flawless precision. Their work is the backbone of the ship. Shipfitters assemble massive modules, ensuring every piece fits perfectly. Electricians and technicians install the ship's nervous system, miles of cables, advanced computers, and weapon controls. Engineers and designers solve impossible problems, from stability to nuclear propulsion, years before construction begins. Each role is vital, each worker a master of their craft. Their combined expertise turns raw steel into a living, thinking war machine. It's a symphony of skill, vision, and grit. These are the people who make giants real. Without them, there is no ship, only dreams. The numbers behind a Gerald R. Ford-class carrier are staggering. 100,000 tons, like 400 Statues of Liberty. It moves at over 30 knots, a mountain sprinting across the sea. Over 1 billion components, enough cable to cross the Atlantic, and 40,000 light fixtures. The ship is a floating city, self-sufficient, producing its own water, and carrying 75 advanced fighter jets. Even the anchors weigh as much as elephants. The propellers are bus-sized. 4 massive screws churn enough water to leave a wake visible from space. 2 nuclear reactors generate power for a small city, giving the carrier unlimited range for decades. This endurance makes it a strategic game changer, able to go anywhere, stay as long as needed. Every detail is supersized, every system engineered for power and resilience. It's not magic, it's the pinnacle of human engineering, and it changes the world. Why build these colossal machines? Because 70% of the world is water, and control of the seas means global influence. Warships are floating embassies, mobile airports, and the ultimate deterrent. They keep trade flowing, deliver aid, and prevent conflict by their very presence. Each new carrier shifts the balance of power, opening shipping lanes and providing rapid response in crises. The shipyard is a crucible of innovation, pushing technology and skills that benefit society far beyond the military. These ships are more than steel. They're symbols of commitment, stability, and peace. The men and women who build them aren't just making machines. They're building the future. In a world of uncertainty, these titans stand ready. It's the most powerful work on Earth. And it all starts in the shipyard.